Independence Day Constellation Fest. Welcome to Stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, astronomer from the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm James Alberry, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida. This week, our viewers in the United States of America will be celebrating Independence Day. And what better way to celebrate our nation's freedom than by spending the night under the stars?
That's right, James. While you're watching the fireworks, you can check out a host of bright constellations all over the sky.
What are we talking about? Let's show you. Okay, we have our skies set up for any night this week, and we'll start our stargazing by facing west. The first thing to draw your attention will be two bright, non-twinkling lights. Those are the planets Venus and Jupiter.
Venus and Jupiter will have a super close conjunction in the earlier part of this week on June 30th. Even still, by July 4th, they'll still be very close to each other and will make an excellent spectacle in the dwindling twilight.
Jupiter is the bright light on the right, and Venus is the brighter one to the left. Both planets are visible right below the stars, making the head of Leo the Lion.
Leo is one of the most popular springtime constellations, and in a few weeks it will disappear below the horizon. The bright star Regulus marks the heart of the Lion and is a multiple star system almost 80 light years away from us.
If you aim your gaze toward the south, you'll see my favorite constellation of summer, Scorpius the Scorpion. Scorpius is easily found if you look for a J-shaped pattern of stars. The top three stars marking his face are Grapheus, Dashuba, and Pi Scorpii. See, Dean, I said Dashuba this time.
I know, it's a fun star to say, isn't it?
Yes.
And not far from Grapheus and Dashuba is the ring planet Saturn. Saturn is in an excellent spot for viewing this week, so I strongly encourage you to view it through a telescope. Even through the most modest of telescopes, you'll be able to see Saturn's magnificent rings, a ring system that Galileo said resembled ears.
If you follow the stars of Scorpius away from the three stars marking the face, you'll see a bright red star named Antares, because of its resemblance to the planet Mars, which itself was named after the Roman god of war.
Continue to follow these stars through the curve in the tail, and you'll see two stars that are close to each other, which mark the stinger of the Scorpion. These stars are Shaula and Lisath. Shaula is a blue-white star approximately 570 light years from Earth, and Lisath is a white star 580 light years away, and 6 times the diameter and 11 times the mass of our Sun.
If we now aim our view to the east, you'll see the stars marking the summer triangle. The brightest and bluest of the three stars in the summer triangle is Vega. Down and to the left is Deneb, and way over to the right is Altair. Each of these stars belongs to its own constellation.
Vega is 25 light years away and is part of Lyra the Harp, whose stars make a little parallelogram. Vega's blue-white color tells us that it's much hotter than our Sun. In fact, compared to our Sun's temperature of 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, Vega blazes away at a fierce 17,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Altair is 17 light years away, and it's the eagle eye of the constellation Aquila the Eagle. Altair is pretty close to us as far as stars go, and it's the 12th brightest star we can see. If we compare it to our almost million-mile wide Sun, Altair is not only 1.5 times its size, but since it's a hot white star, Altair is actually 9 times brighter than our cooler yellow Sun.
Lastly, we have Deneb. Deneb is approximately 3,000 light years away and marks the tail of Cygnus the Swan. Not only is Deneb bigger and brighter than the other two stars in the summer triangle, but it also happens to be the North Star on Mars. So if you ever get lost roaming the surface of Mars, look for Deneb and you'll find North. Of course, if you get lost on Mars, finding North will be the least of your problems.
So there you have it. Lots of star patterns to celebrate your Independence Day.
And it's all there for you to see if you remember to keep looking up.